Imagine a universe where 95% of its contents are invisible, a cosmic iceberg where all we see is just the tip, and the vast, unknown dark below rules everything in silence. We are talking about our own universe, which we see every day. What if it's something far more vague, something that doesn't interact with light or matter as we know it? In the vast, silent stretches of our universe, lurking in the shadows beyond the reach of telescopes, lies a mystery that has puzzled scientists for decades. This is not science fiction, nor is it a tale from ancient mythology. It is the reality of our cosmos, a hidden force that shapes our universe in ways we are only beginning to understand. What if I told you that everything we see, all the stars, galaxies, and cosmic structures making up less than 5% of the universe? The rest is a mystery, invisible and untouchable, known as dark matter and dark energy. Today, we embark on a journey to the edge of cosmic understanding to peel back the layers of this mystery. We dig into the shadow, not with the intent to scatter it, but to reveal the immense power and beauty it holds in shaping our universe. Join me as we unravel the secrets of dark matter and dark energy and discover how these unseen forces govern the cosmos. That's where Notion comes in. Imagine having a single platform that acts as your digital notebook, project manager, and database, all designed to help you bring order to the chaos of our endless curiosity. From tracking the phases of the moon to organizing your favorite space documentaries, Notion helps you keep everything in one beautifully organized space. So, if you're ready to transform the way you explore and learn about our universe, click the link in the video description to try Notion today. As a member of the Notion affiliate program, your sign-up supports our channel and helps us bring more content like this to you. Let's get back to our timeless journey. This is the story of the ultimate unseen, the architects of the universe. Welcome to a journey into the dark heart of our universe. As we gaze up at the night sky, decorated with stars and galaxies, we marvel at the universe's vastness and beauty. This celestial screen, spanning billions of light years, holds within it the secrets of cosmic evolution, from the birth of stars to the formation of galaxies. Yet this visible luxury, as mesmerizing as it is, constitutes a mere fraction of the universe's true essence, about 5%. That's right, what we see is just a small part of everything out there, so what's the rest of the universe made of? That's where our adventure really begins. We're going to explore the huge, mysterious part of the universe that we can't see, dark matter and dark energy. These invisible forces are the real giants of the cosmos, shaping everything from galaxies to the entire universe. So where are these shadowy forces? As we adventure deeper into the cosmos, we encounter one of the universe's greatest enigmas: dark matter. Invisible yet universal, this mysterious substance defies our traditional understanding of matter. The story of dark matter begins with a cosmic puzzle in the early 20th century. You see, galaxies are constantly spinning in space around black holes. They are spinning faster than what should be possible. Galaxies spin at such speeds that, without an unseen force holding them together, they would simply fly apart. This invisible force, we now understand, is dark matter. Our glimpse into the shadowy realm of dark matter comes from its gravitational pull. It bends the path of light traveling through the cosmos, a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing, offering us indirect evidence of its existence. Despite being completely invisible, dark matter is not a minor component of the universe. It adds up to about 27% of the universe's total mass and energy, shadowing the familiar matter that makes up our world and the stars. Dark matter is the unseen architect of the universe. It guides the formation of galaxies and clusters of galaxies, shaping the large-scale structure of the cosmos in a cosmic dance hidden from view. As we've journeyed through the cosmic shadows to uncover dark matter, another, even more mysterious force looms in the expanse of space, a force that propels the universe to expand at an ever-increasing rate. This force is known as dark energy. The tale of dark energy begins with a surprising discovery made by observing distant supernovae. These cosmic explosions served as beacons, revealing that, contrary to expectations, the universe's expansion is not slowing down, it's accelerating. But what exactly are supernovae, the cosmic events that led us to discover dark energy? In simple terms, a supernova is what happens when a star reaches the end of its life and explodes with incredible force and brightness. This explosion is so bright that it can outshine entire galaxies for a brief moment and can be seen across vast distances in the universe. Supernovae are like cosmic fireworks, marking the final, spectacular moments of a star's life. They are important to astronomers because they act as milestones in the vastness of space, helping us measure distances to faraway galaxies. By observing these brilliant explosions, scientists were able to uncover the mysterious force we call dark energy, which is pushing the universe to expand faster and faster. Now, let's explore another fascinating discovery method of dark energy involving something called the cosmic microwave background, or CMB for short. Imagine the CMB as the universe's baby picture, taken just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. Back then, the universe was like a hot, dense soup. As it expanded and cooled, light was able to travel freely for the first time, leaving us a snapshot of the early universe in the form of microwave radiation. This microwave radiation, or CMB, is spread out evenly across the entire sky, but it's not perfectly smooth. It has tiny temperature fluctuations that give us clues about the early universe's structure. These tiny differences in temperature are like fingerprints, telling us how matter was distributed across the universe when it was very young. By studying these cosmic fingerprints, scientists have been able to learn a lot about the universe, including the existence of dark energy. The way the CMB's light is stretched over the vast distances of space helps us understand how the universe has been expanding. The data from the CMB suggests that something, which we now identify as dark energy, has been driving the universe to expand faster and faster over billions of years. Remarkably, dark energy is not just a minor player in the cosmic saga. It constitutes about 68% of the total energy content of the universe, overshadowing both dark matter and all the visible matter combined. Together, dark matter and dark energy make up a staggering 95% of the universe. They are the silent architects, shaping and driving the evolution of the cosmos, yet their nature remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. The presence of dark energy has profound implications for the future of the universe. It dictates the fate of all cosmic structures, leading us to question how the universe will evolve in the years to come. Our journey through the cosmos brings us to the cutting edge of scientific discovery, where researchers around the globe are on a quest to unravel the secrets of dark matter and dark energy. This chase is no small feat, as it challenges our understanding of the very fabric of the universe. To detect dark matter, scientists have built highly sensitive sensors deep underground and in space, isolated from other particles that could interfere with the experiments. These detectors are waiting to catch a glimpse of dark matter particles as they pass through the Earth, a rare event that could help prove dark matter's existence. In the quest to understand dark energy, Astronomers use powerful telescopes to observe distant supernovae and map the large-scale structure of the universe. These observations help scientists measure how fast the universe is expanding and how dark energy affects this expansion over time. Despite the immense challenges, the quest to understand dark matter and dark energy is more than a scientific effort. It's a journey that tests the limits of human curiosity and imagination. As we stand on the edge of new discoveries, we may find that the answers to these cosmic mysteries could redefine our place in the universe. You might wonder, why do scientists spend so much time and energy trying to learn about things we can't even see, like dark matter and dark energy? Well, it's because understanding these mysteries helps us answer some really big questions about the universe and our place in it. For starters, figuring out what dark matter and dark energy are could help us understand how the universe started, how it got to look the way it does now, and where it's heading. It's like putting together a giant puzzle where we only have a few pieces right now. Plus, when we learn new things about the universe, it can lead to new technologies that make our lives better here on Earth. For example, studying the stars helped us develop GPS systems that we use to navigate every day. And there's more. Learning about these cosmic mysteries teaches us to think big, ask questions, and solve problems. It's about being curious, exploring the unknown, and dreaming about what's out there. That's important for kids in school and for grown-ups too. So, while dark matter and dark energy might seem distant and unrelated to our daily lives, they're actually a big part of the story of our universe. And we're all a part of that story, trying to figure out our place in this vast, amazing cosmos. To summarize, the universe we see filled with stars and galaxies is just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. The real universe is largely unseen, governed by the mysterious forces of dark matter and dark energy. These invisible entities defy our understanding of physics, yet their effects are undeniable. They are the shadowy puppeteers, pulling the strings of the cosmos, shaping galaxies, and driving the expansion of the universe. In this journey, we've unraveled some of the mysteries of the universe, yet the more we discover, the more questions arise. The quest to understand dark matter and dark energy is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a journey into the unknown, a testament to our insatiable curiosity and pursuit of knowledge. The universe is far more mysterious and intriguing than we ever imagined, and it's this sense of wonder that drives us to explore the cosmos. So as we gaze at the night sky, let's remember that what we see is just a tiny fraction of the universe. The real story is in the shadows, in the unseen, in the dark matter and dark energy that shape our universe in ways we're only beginning to understand. The universe may be dark, but it's in this darkness that we find the most fascinating mysteries, the most profound questions, and the most compelling stories. Welcome to the universe unseen and the universe untold. Welcome to the dark side of the cosmos.